vandals lurk everywhere, and they can often create irreversible damages. But now, we pledge for zero tolerance. Presenting Graffiti Shield multi-layer protective film. Be it bus stops, subways, elevators, or public transport, this shield's innovative and revolutionary patented peel point system technology allows you to simply remove the vandalized layer using a basic tool, thus reducing labor and saving time and cost while keeping the environment clean. This shield is a completely customizable single installation of a stack of films consisting of 4 layers of removable polyester, suitable not only for glass but also polycarbonate surfaces. What's more, the multi-layer protective film comes with a 1-year limited warranty. Now, protect your property from etching, hard water, wear and tear, construction damage, and common vandalism, 1 layer at a time. Graffiti Shield, specializing in manufacturing and installation of surface protection films. Contact us to learn more